Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Jolly Rancher graduation leis because school is coming to an end in a few months. I'm going to be making these leis for my friends who are in 5th grade and promoting to middle school. Here is what the lei looks like. The lei is really heavy, so I'm going to only be wearing the lei in the intro. You're going to need 100 to 150 Jolly Ranchers. I just bought this 5-pound Jolly Rancher pack that has 360 pieces. And here is some ribbon. It's satin ribbon, so it's more comfortable to wear the lei. And there has to be at least more than 5 feet because that will be how much we need to make one lei. You'll be needing some of the string to tie the Jolly Ranchers to the ribbon. You'll be needing some scissors and a piece of cardboard that's been cut into 5 inches, like this. And finally, you're going to need a ruler that has at least 12 inches. Measure 5 feet of the ribbon. Mark each foot so you know how much you have left. Cut off the ribbon. Measure 16 inches off of one end and put a mark. Tie a knot over that dot. Get a 5-inch piece of cardboard. Wrap string around the 5-inch piece of cardboard over and over. Cut the string on both ends of the cardboard. Now you should have a handful of 5-inch pieces of string. Tie each individual piece of candy with a string and make sure to double knot it and twist the end of the candy. Continue to do this with every single Jolly Rancher. Tie the stringed pieces of candy around the ribbon. Make sure to double knot so it's nice and secure. This is what I got so far. Now I have to start stringing these green Jolly Ranchers to the lei. We finished green. The green Jolly Ranchers are now done. Here we have our completed lei, and you can see all of the Jolly Ranchers. You can put the Jolly Ranchers in any order you want, and you don't have to put them all the same colors in one spot. You can just do it randomly. And finally, you can just tie it around your neck like this. If you have any friends who are promoting or graduating, then you should try making one of these for them. Or you can also make one for yourself. Bye!